Zoho CEO Sridhar Vembu has backed IIT Madras director Dr. V. Kamakoti in cow urine controversy, claiming that modern science is waking up to its benefits. Dr. V. Kamakoti, the director of IIT Madras, Indian Institute of Technology, recently faced backlash for saying that cow urine or gomudra possesses antibacterial, antifungal, and digestive properties that could help treat conditions like fever and IBS or irritable bowel syndrome. Dr. Kamakoti's comments proved extremely controversial, with a section of the internet saying that his claims were not backed by science. In his speech made at a Pongal celebration on 15th January 2025, however, the IIT director had quoted scientific studies as well as peer reviewed papers to make his point about the benefits of Gomutra. The antifungal, antibacterial, and anti inflammatory properties of cow urine have been scientifically demonstrated. Top journals in the United States have published scientific evidence, said Kamakoti. One of the papers he cited was peptide profiling in cow urine, which reveals molecular signature of physiologically driven pathways and in silico predicted bioactive properties by Mr. Rohit Kumar that was published in the Nature journal. Zoho CEO Sridhar Vembu shared a post in support of V. Kamakoti. He praised the IIT Madras director as an accomplished researcher who had backed his claims on Gomutra with scientific evidence. He tweeted saying that IIT Madras director Professor Kamakoti is an accomplished researcher and educator. He gave citations of scientific papers on the benefits of properties of cow urine. Modern science is increasingly recognizing the value of our traditional insights. Online mobs are simply channeling their own prejudices, not based on any scientific insight.